Must. Mila must study for her exam. We use must to talk about obligations, duties, or strong recommendations. To make an affirmative sentence with must, we use subject plus must plus base form verb. For example, obligation. I must return this book. You must wear a seatbelt. Duty. He must feed the cat. We must water the flowers. Strong recommendation. You must rest. They must visit Paris. Mila must not go to bed late tonight. To make a negative sentence with must, we use subject plus must not plus base form verb. This means that an action is prohibited. For example, you must not watch TV all day. The dog must not go into the kitchen. We must not talk loudly in the library. The contracted form of must not is mustn't. So we can also say, we mustn't talk loudly in the library. Mila mustn't be late for her exam. Fortunately, she doesn't have to walk to school. The negative forms mustn't and not have to have different meanings. We use mustn't to say that an action is prohibited, but we use not have to say that an action is unnecessary. For example, mustn't, prohibited. Mila mustn't open her birthday present now. The action is prohibited. Mila can't open her present. Not have to, unnecessary. Mila doesn't have to open her birthday present now. Mila can open her present now, or she can open it later. Remember, we don't use must to ask questions. We always use have to. So, do you must wash the dishes is incorrect. But do you have to wash the dishes is correct. Also, we only use must for sentences in the present tense. We don't use must for sentences in other tenses. Instead, we always use have to. So, in the past tense, I must went shopping is incorrect, but I had to go shopping is correct.